That's crazy. This wheel bearing needs to be replaced. Alright guys. So today we're going to be replacing the driver's side wheel bearing, front wheel bearing. Tools of the trade today is a jack, 21mm socket for the brembo brake bracket. Locknut says do not use, so we're not going to reuse it. This one is either 36mm or the recommended 1 3/8 deep socket. We got our wheel locks here, move the wheel. We got our breaker bar here. This guy. Hammer. I saw a meme, so we're gonna give this a try. A pipe wrench to give some angular force. Boom, baby. Look at that. Like butter. Right there. Love it. Nice. Very nice. Just like that. Now the reason I use that, not only for angular force, but to keep the hammer away from the speed sensor. Very important. Here's your guy. New. Put the bolt in by hand. Hey guys, just finished the wheel bearing installation. Always, when you remove the brakes or anything to do with the brakes, technically, always pump the brakes before starting the vehicle. This gets the brake fluid back in there. Makes sure that the pads sit correctly on the rotors. All right, so now we're gonna do a test drive and test drive this wheel bearing. Alright, so for this test, we're going to turn off the heater, the radio volume, everything to keep it real quiet. Now the symptoms of a wheel bearing is a humming sound while driving, especially on the highway, especially when you get the RPMs of the wheel up. Right now it sounds good. It sounds way better than last time. Alright guys, I'm calling this good. This is great. When I get home, I'm gonna retorque the wheel at 110 pounds. Then after 500 kilometers, I'm gonna do it again, just for safety. Anyways, please subscribe, hit the notifications. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.